Hey, quick question. Would you respond if I sent you a message like this instead of a boring email? Because this isn't a video, you can actually interact with me right here. This is how businesses are turning cold leads into real conversations without chasing people. Instead of just reading an email, you can now turn it into an interactive experience. They can see you, hear you, and take action immediately. Take a look now. You'll see my website come up. Go ahead and scroll through. It's interactive, which also means you can encourage new leads to click on a particular section of your live website, book a call in your calendar, fill in a form, or make a purchase while you're still talking. Imagine how much higher your conversion rate will be using this same technology. You probably have some questions. So now, here's my calendar. Go ahead and schedule a call right now.